In this lecture, we are going to see what is system call and what is system programs and also the different types of system call. So what is system call? It is an interface between a process and the operating system which will be generally available as assembly language instructions. To make us understand what is system call, let us consider a simple example of copying content from one file to another file. So what is the first step we do for this process? We get name of the two files. Once the two file names are obtained, the program opens the input file and create the output file. So here open and create are the system calls. Each of these operations require another system call and may encounter possible error condition. For example, the file which you are trying to open, if it is not existing, it may throw error. So the system calls which are going to interact with operating system for a specific purpose. This diagram shows how the user program interacts with the operating system through a system call. Now, user application is running at the top, which throws open system call. So, after calling that open system call, it interacts with system call interface. This system call interface will go and get the definition for open system call, which is available in the operating system kernel space. So after getting that file, open means you are trying to open some file name. So that file name will be sent to the user application via the system call interface. So the open system call, it's interacting with the system program which is being stored in kernel space with the help of system call interface. System calls can be grouped roughly into 5 major categories based on the components of operating system. So process control, file management, device management, information maintenance and communications are those 5 groups. Let us see all those 5 groups one by one in detail in the forthcoming slides. This slide shows the system calls associated with process control management. End, reward, load, which is loading process from the memory, where execute system call is used to execute the process which is being loaded. Create process used to create a new process, and terminate process will remove process space from the memory. Get attributes is used to get the attributes of a process like process identifier, process stock space and everything. Set attributes is used to set attribute value to the process. Wait for time, wait event. Suppose if the process have to wait for some event to happen, you can make use of the system called wait event. Wait signal, suppose the event for which you are waiting is occurred, it will be triggered through wait signal. Allocate and free memory is for allocating and freeing memory space for the process. The next component is file management, and here we have listed the system call associated with file management component. So create file, which is used to create a new file. Delete file, this system call is used to delete the already existing file. Open system call is used to open a file in read mode or write mode or execute mode. Whereas close system call is used to close the file which is already opened. Read, write and reposition represents in which mode you are opening the file. Get file attributes and set file attributes deal with attributes of the file. So these are the system calls which comes under file management. Then next comes device management. Device means any IO device. So request device used to get that device. Whereas release device, this system call is used to release the device which is being used right now. Read, write and reposition is used to read content stored in the device space, and write, which is used to write content to the device, and reposition, which is used to change the position. whereas get device attributes and set device attributes are dealing with attributes of the device which is being used. Then the logically attached or detached devices system call is used to get attached with the device or detach them. Information maintenance is the next component. Here the list of system call belongs to information maintenance is listed. Get time or date, set time or date, which is used to get time or current date, system date or time. Logically attach or detach devices, get system data and set system data, get process file or device attributes, set process file or device attributes are some of the system call belongs to information maintenance component. Next comes communications. Here communication means with the help of communication link, one or more process will be linked together. So create system call is used to create communication between two different processes, whereas delete communication is used to delete the already existing connection. Send, which is used to send message from one process to another process, whereas receive message is used to receive message from other process. Transfer status information tells about what is the present state of this process to some other process. Attach or detach remote devices are used to get the resources which are in remote locations. Next comes system program. What is system program? The previous topic we see system call. It means that we are calling the program which is existing an operating system. So that is called a system program. For that system program you are making call which is called a system call. In addition to that, system programs provide a convenient environment for program development and execution. They can be divided further into file management, status information, programming language support, loading and execution, communications, application programs and so on. Some of them are simply user interfaces to system calls. Yes. This is what we see in open and closed system calls. Others are more complex. In addition to system call, we have some other system programs also which are more complex in nature. Example for such system programs are, in case of file management component, we have create, delete and copy, rename, print, dump, list, and generally manipulate files and directories. Here we have shown example for file management component alone. Similarly, we have many system programs for other component too. Assignment for today's lecture is you have to write a short notes on different types of system call. Thank you for watching this lecture, students. Bye.